Hi, everybody. This is an explanation video for Monday, October 26th. So for the class today, you're going to come down here to Unit 2, Getting a Job. We are now on Module 6. This is all about cover letters for this week. So day 1, which is Monday. So let's start with the sync. This is what we're doing in our Zoom session. So first we have a activity in the Future Advanced Textbook, page 40, part 1 ABC and part 2 ABC. So we're going to go through these activities in groups. You're going to listen to this audio of a job interview and answer these questions. Then you're going to read this email and you're going to answer these questions. What are the expectations of the interviewer and what is the response of the candidates? And what was the result? Then you're going to talk about how the interview could have been better. What were the strengths and weaknesses that the person interviewing for the job showed us? And how did that demonstrate self-confidence? And then we're going to talk about how they could have changed their interview to show more self-confidence and to have a better performance in the interview. And then you'll listen to this audio, which is an example of a do-over or an interview where they changed the mistakes. Okay, so we'll do that in small groups in class. Also, we will review information about author's purpose. So you want to look at this information: persuasive, informative, and entertain. Those are the different types of purposes. And then we will look at these texts. These are example texts. And for each one, we'll get into small groups and discuss what is the author's purpose in this text. And then you will use these questions to help you make your decision, right? So did the author try to make me laugh? If the answer is yes, then it's probably an entertain purpose. Did the author want to tell me a story? If the answer is yes, they're probably trying to entertain you. So that's the purpose. Okay, so you'll go through all of these questions and answer them for each of these articles. Okay, so that is it for the sync session. Let's go to the async session for today. So this is another author's purpose activity. You'll open this. It gives you 3 different texts. They're pretty short. You're going to read all 3. For each one, you're going to determine what is the author's purpose and put your answer in the comment section below, down here. Okay, and then you can use these questions to help you answer, to help you find the purpose for each text. Okay, so for example, for number 1, you want to read the text and then ask yourself, was the author trying to make me laugh? Did the author want to tell me a story? Did the author try to amuse me? Did the author give me facts? There's 3 for entertain. If all 3 of these questions are yes, then it's probably an entertain purpose. These 2 are informative. If it's a yes for both of these, then it's probably an informative essay. If you have yes for both of these that are persuade, then it's probably a persuasive purpose. Okay, so the other assignment for this is the Nearpod about present perfect grammar. And remember, please give us your name so that I can identify you and give you the credit for being here. So this is discussing the present perfect and when to use present perfect indefinite and when to use present perfect continuous. Okay, so here's a basic explanation of present perfect. And we talk about the structure here, and we use already. So this previous slide, we talk about already. Here we talk about yet. Okay, and there's some Um, and then we also talk about for and since, then a little test, open-ended question, a quiz. Okay, so these are all quiz questions. Okay, and then let's see, do we have more? Okay, so I guess I lied. You don't talk about the difference between indefinite and continuous. You focus on for, already, since, and yet. Those are the four words that are useful when you're using the present perfect tense. So that is the last async activity for today. So hopefully we'll have a great start to this week and we'll learn a lot. And if you have any questions, please make sure to contact me and I'll be happy to help you. In the meantime, good luck.